Hi guys, I'm Vanessa again. We will do an unboxing review of this product. Guys, as you can see, this is the Power Mushroom 265W Travel Charger. We will open this so that you can discover what is inside, so that it is. So, this is the instruction. So, this is the very cool extension cord for your, if you want to charge the extension, as you can see it. Oh, see? Wow, it is very durable, guys. You can see it. Oh, that is how the extension cord of this, if you want to charge your phone, guys, this is a very good kind of charger. See to it how durable it is, and when you punch it there, it is not easily to pull down, so it will be stick to it, whatever wall you want to put it. So this is super cool extension charger, guys. You can see it. See? And the charging station, it's perfect for MacBook. If you have a MacBook, guys, it is also good for iPhone 15 if you have. This is very good. And this is compatible with Android and iPad devices. This is very good. And you will never regret it if you buy this extension cord. And you can bring it wherever you go. And this is handy. Guys, you can see it in my hands. And this is a faster and safer charging device extension, guys. So what are you waiting for, guys? Buy now with this extension charger.